What's up? What's going on? My name is Kofi Amponsa and this is Ghananie Photography. So today I'm about to unbox the Viltrox H18. Got this light right here and I'm gonna just do a comparison of showing you what's in the box and then I'll show you what the light looks like when it's on me. We just have daylight coming through this window. I'm just standing here, no other lights, and I'm shooting on the camera around f5.6. So let's go. We're gonna see what's in here and let's get to unboxing. First thing is, it looks pretty cool, nice packaging. They did a good job. Let's get this out. All right, so once you slide it out, you have this very handy bag right here. And it's, well, the Viltrox H18 bag. You can see right here, quality-wise, this is pretty solid. Like, it's pretty, it's up to the Viltrox level. I trust them with my type of equipment now. Pretty handy. You can just grab it. It's all good. And now we're about to open this up and see what's in here. Okay, we have our manual right here. We have some other plastic things which I took out. We have the charger right here. When you need to charge it or actually plug it into a power source, you have an AC cable, stand for the tripod, it's a little tripod leg for the light, and then we have the power cord, so for charging and actually using a power source. And here's what you've been waiting to see. This is the Viltrox H18 RGB LED light. And flip it open. Second. Basically lets you control the light how you like. Turn it back here, and you have two sources. So this is the Viltrox H18, and we'll deep dive more further into this light in another video. Right, so we also how it looked when the light, I was just using normal daylight from a window. This is that ambient light, and let's see it now. And this is how it looks with the Viltrox 100%. This is actually daylight, ISO 850, still aperture f5.6, and you can definitely see the difference in lighting. I'm well lit. My background still looks the same, and the shadow on this side is soft. Now I'll turn this off again for another comparison. See, my shadow is still there. I am now blending into the background, but once I turn it on, you can see that. And I've got that lighting from this side, so that when you got those interviews and you want to have this side, it looks great. So this is a great light. It's very useful. It's just like a lightsaber. You can hold it like a wand and you can light people how you want when you're working with them. That's when you're behind the camera. If it's a one-man run and gun situation, you can hold your camera, hold the light. You can have a tripod there. If it's recording, hold the light. It's basically versatile. It can work in anything. It works for photography too. When you want to have those shots and you just want even lighting, that's affordable. Right, so thanks for watching. And this is our first unboxing of the Viltrox H18. My name is Kofi Amponsa, and this is Ghananie Photography. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button if you've got any value from this video. And thanks for watching. We appreciate you.